Hi! In front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your device's keyboard and tapping on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If you can't see it, then tap on this gear instead. Now select voice typing from keyboard settings and hit gray sweater next to it to activate it. When you're done, go back to your keyboard and tap on the now visible microphone. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up and after seeing Speak Now command, start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!